Greetings, greetings. What's up, fellas? Give me, give me a few minutes. Give me a few minutes. Give me 5 minutes. Let some more people come in here about to load some information. What's up, Tone Bargos? Yes, sir. Will email me. What's up, Bobby Corona? Let me mute for a second. Y'all gonna love this. This gonna be a good one tonight. What's up, Keto? What's up, fellas? It's gonna be a good little class, history class tonight on how you was talked out of your natural rights as a father, right? And the bitches, these evil bitches, you know. What's up? What's up, Cornelius? These evil bitches, man. Uh, Let me get ready and pull this stuff up. Hold on. One more minute. One more minute. One more minute. One more minute. Hope y'all doing good tonight on this uh on this Tuesday night, Blues Day Tuesday. I had somebody gave me I'll tell you about it in a few minutes. Let me download this stuff. Download this stuff, man. All right, that's one. Probably gonna be. Y'all can see it. It ain't that blurry. Yeah, y'all can see that book. Oh man, are they serious? Nah, I'm gonna have to take them off. Okay. We're gonna do it this. What's up, fellas? How y'all doing, man? How y'all doing, fellas? Let me get to it, man. Hey, this is Sham Stoppers. We reserve all our rights, waive none. This ain't a sovereign citizen movement, even though some people claim us to be sovereign citizens. I never tell people to go in there and say I'm a sovereign and this and that. And, you know, I never tell a man, fuck the government and all that shit. You know what I mean? A lot of these people, this sovereign citizen stuff just was just made up. When you start hitting them with their own shit, they call you a sovereign citizen. But hey, ain't nobody tell them to get that type of job, right? And we run this child support shit. We ain't giving it back. All right. And fellas, you know the last two podcasts we just did, and then I had another one with the Terry Park situation. So they just filed a claim, say it was private. I violated their private rights that's in the public, which these dumbass niggas got a fucking social media platform in the public showing everybody that, hey, look at me, hey, look at me, right? People are retarded. The people of this platform of YouTube are retarded as well, right? And they think I'm a bully, and I'm not no bully. You know what I mean? I just return ass whooping. That's what I do. You should learn how to pick and choose your fucking battles. You just can't start fucking with people don't think they ain't gonna do nothing to you. You know what I mean? You just can't do that, man. Because these people ain't been raised right. So if I gotta be re-raise them and teach them, I'm gonna teach them a good fucking lesson. Let me know, can y'all see this? And let me know if it's blurry. I'm gonna put it up right now. Let me know, can y'all see this? Can y'all see that? Is it blurry? Let me know if it's blurry. I'll go retake the picture. You know these phones be having a mind of they fucking own. Let me know if it's blurry. Can y'all see it? Somebody let me know, can you see it? Yeah or nay? Can y'all see it? Can y'all see it? All right, well, let's go. Custodian, someone who has charge or custody of property and papers, etc. Custodian. Okay. Custodian of an account. Caretaker. Okay, let's start with the word caretaker. What does the caretaker do, fellas? Huh? What does the caretaker do? Keeper, guard, steward, guardian. conservator, watchman, superintendent, warden. What is this video about? Warden, right? She is the what? Warden of your children. And guess what? You get to have what? Visitation. Because when you got somebody, when somebody's in jail or in prison, every jail and prison, well, every prison has a what? Warden, right? So your children really in prison because it's an 18-year sentence of you got to be in a fucking visitor of her prison. And your child is her prisoner, right? Curator, watchdog, supervisor, protector, monitor, janitor. You see that? Huh? Come on, fellas. She's a custodian, right? Come on now. Custody. Let's go with the custody. The care and control of a thing or person. Joint custody. You ain't got joint custody. We finna go back to history of this custody shit. This gonna be real good, fellas. Appreciate the 5 of y'all in here because y'all learning something. And this channel's been shadow banned. They don't want the real shit. They want the bullshit and the niggas that's playing around, being in. Anyway, custody, protection, guardianship, care, safekeeping, direction, trusteeship, wardship, possession, keeping, custodianship, right? Preservation, management, superintendents, administrators, safety, jurisdiction, physical confinement, custody. So she has custody. So basically, she want to fight you to confine your child and make sure if you fuck up, you know what I mean? You can't sneak in no candy. You can't sneak in no cell phone. You can't sneak in no clothes, right? Them motherfuckers want you to get them some money while your child's in the custody of being that warden, right? So they want you to pay for that water, pay for them lights, pay for her to get fucked in the ass, pay for her sack of weed, pay for her beer, her 6-pack of beer, 12-pack of 24 for her nigga, right? Pay for them lights to be cut on or cut off when that nigga in there banging her and your child in the next room, right? Your bitch ass baby mamas is the warden of your children. And nigga, you just a visitor. Now I'm finna give you the history. Let me give you the history. Not no law, nigga. History. There was a fucking rule and somebody else fucking idea. Okay? Let me stop this. I'm gonna show you the book I'm finna come out of. Okay? I'm gonna show you the book I'm finna come out of. All right. This is a good little book I bought. Okay. Hold that thought, fellas. Let me go upload the pictures again. Yeah, fellas. All right, let me check my email. Let me see that shit load up. So I'll give y'all this church coming from the good book of family law. This is a good book of family law. Okay, y'all, we probably can get away with that. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna see can we get away with that? Cause these bitches really don't want me to upload this shit. Okay, let me see something. Let me know. Can y'all see that? Let me. All right, child custody, fellas. Let's go to the little history. Custody of a minor child ordinarily encompasses a broad set of rights, including possession of the child and decision making, capacity with the respect such as matters as discipline, the child's name, where the child lives, who visits the child, and the child's education, earnings, medical treatment, religious training. With these rights comes the duty to provide the child protection and support. You ready for this? How the fuck is she gonna provide and protect when she taking you to the courthouse, the fake Title 4D shit? Because I'm gonna tell y'all something. How she gonna do that? She can't afford to pay her own fucking bills, and she come to bring y'all in to a Title 4D hearing, right? Makes no sense, fellas. The term custody sometimes, however, has more limited meaning. For example, when a divorce court awards custody to one parent and denies it to the other, the non-custodial parent usually retains visitation rights, which is insane, right? So I'm going to tell y'all something. Y'all should automatically have 50-50, 50-50 rights. You should have 50-50. Not you pay her and you become a visitor. Man, get the fuck out of here, nigga. That's some pimp hoe shit, nigga. Support duties, and the right to make certain decisions, particularly when the child is temporarily with that parent in joint custody awards. Courts often divide the broad and concept of custody into legal custody, which refers to the authority to make important decisions for the child, such as those relating to education and medical care, physical custody, which refers to rights to physical care and control, and child abuse proceedings. A distinction typically is drawn between depriving a parent of custody. Y'all hear that? I'll read it again. Child abuse proceedings, a distinction typically is drawn between depriving a parent of custody, which may be only a temporary measure pending the parent's rehabilitation, and a permanent termination of parental rights. That's the only way you can get out parental rights, doing child abuse. Really, you know what I mean? In these contents, the others, custody has a narrower meaning than the unitary notion customarily associated with parenthood. In our society, the biological parents are a child's initial legal custodians. You see that? The loss of this status because of death, illness, and unacceptable parental conduct ordinarily is dealt with under statutory rules concerning adoption, abuse, negligent foster care, and involuntary termination of parental rights. These topics are addressed in chapter 12 and 13. Y'all get me? A biological parent status may also be subject to disputes between private constituents. Chapter 10 deals with the special problems that arise when one parent has never been married to the other. This chapter deals with all other custody disputes, including those between parents at divorce or those between parents or third parties, including other relatives of the child. What y'all think so far? Huh? My thing is, how you gonna become a when you go to jail, fellas, when you go visit your homeboys in prison or anybody in jail, you don't pay to get in there, right? You don't, it ain't no ticket to get in there. You schedule that shit, right? And you can choose to put money on your partner's books, right? So guess what, fellas? You can choose to pay child support or not. Because them books niggas is paying. That's the jail you paying the jail. You sending money through the jail to the little bitch. It's the same shit, fellas. Your child's in jail. You got to go through a warden system. Send that 200 some dollars to the jail, whoever own the jail, right? For your child. She get that money. She not gonna give it to the child. She gonna spend it on her little facility. If y'all know what I'm saying, y'all know what I'm saying. If y'all don't, God help you. Brief history of interparental custody disputes. Roman law vested absolute power in custodial matters in the father, nigga. What's up? In fact, in ancient Rome, a father could sell his children or even put them to death. Are y'all following this shit? Forsyth, custody of infants, 1850. By contrast, a mother was not considered the child's natural guardian. Bitches can't protect these children. We all see that most of her children are in fucking prison or in jail. Even what a father died intestate. So even when what they're saying, if the father died intestate, that means the father didn't have a fucking will. So when you die without a will, it's intestate, and the state is going to find out who is the children, who our children he got, and they're going to have to appoint an administrator out of one of them children, and they're going to divide your shit. So it's always best to have a will, fellas. You don't want to never die intestate, right? The will settles all that bullshit. The father could not even appoint the mother, guardian, or custodial of the children by will. These rules eliminated custody disputes between parents in Roman courts because the father's will was practically absolute and no amount of cruelty, neglect of duty, or immorality on his part affected in the slightest degree his claim to the custody of his children. Y'all want to know something? Let me see. Is any people? Y'all want to know something? That is still fucking law today. And they don't say, let me tell y'all something. Y'all have power and authority over your fucking children. And when you start asking, that means you don't have authority. But when you start telling the bitch and telling these courts, and if they interfere with your parental rights, aka parental loss of parental consortium, right? When they interfere and you lose that, you can get in a motherfucking ass, nigga. Fellas, you have the ultimate power. She just using these bitches, these bitches just using these children for fucking ransom. I got it in your face right here on this computer. Can y'all see it? Huh? I paid $3 for this book. Why ain't the gurus and these goats putting up shit like this showing you this shit? Huh? Why they not taking time out to walk you through this shit like this? Huh? Cause they some whole ass niggas. We the only people on YouTube that does this. Lawyers don't care. They don't care about your family, nigga. They don't give a fuck about your children. They don't care about the relationship of your fucking kids. And they want to use these old stupid words. Don't say child, kid. Shut the fuck up, nigga. You fucking with my blood, nigga. Let me try to download the second page. Y'all should read that for a second. Let that shit sink in. Let that fucking shit sink in. You ask a bitch one time, hey, I'm finna come get my child. Let's meet at the police station. Ain't no, can I come see my child? None of that. Fuck all that, nigga. When you're in the asking position, you ain't got no power. You should relinquish your power. Hold on. I ain't asking a motherfucker a goddamn thing. Are y'all following me? That bitch, they done made that bitch the warden of your fucking children. She is the warden. Let me stop sharing this. Let me open this shit. Hold on. Oh yeah, that's a good one, fellas. I got it. I finally got it. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's a clear one right here. That's a clear one. Y'all see this? English law adopted the Roman view of absolute parental power and the right to custody. Did y'all see that? English law adopted the Roman view. What did I just tell y'all, fellas? You got power over y'all children. I even demonstrated that shit when I went to go to school. I went to my daughter's school and I went to see my daughter. And look, y'all want to hear something that's crazy? Something awesome and beautiful? I never went to court. Never. I never went to court for my second baby mama's her child support case. Never. When no court order or nothing. The superintendent called me. Long as she say you the father, you can go see your child whenever you get ready. Fellas, this is their shit. And I really ain't gonna go by that shit because I know I was in that room fucking busting a nut when nobody in there. Right? And here come Blackstone, hoe ass nigga. Blackstone wrote that a mother as such is entitled to no party, but only to reverence and respect. See that you know the reason why I call Blackstone a whole ass nigga? Who gave this nigga power over everybody's family? Nigga, them your rules and your words, nigga, but this my family, nigga. You don't tell me what the fuck I can and cannot do with my family, nigga. Blackstone Commentaries 453. There was no right of the father, however, to kill or sell a child. The power of a parent by our English laws is much more modern than the laws of ancient Rome, but still sufficient to keep the child in order and obedience. I'm not English. I'm not from England. You ain't either, fellas. I know a few of y'all are, the Caucasian people. You know what I mean? This is some good shit, fellas. This is some good fucking shit. Let me keep reading this shit. Despite Lois Manfield's attempts to adopt a best interest of the child approach, in two cases in the middle of the 18th century, right, the rule of parental right to custody was reiterated in later English cases. In the oft-cited case of Rex versus Maniville, them old cases, the court ordered an 8-month-old nursing infant removed from the mother and returned to the father, despite the mother's uncontested allegations that the parental separation was due to the father's extreme cruelty. Y'all see that? They removed the 8-month-old from their mammy, right? See, I'm gonna tell you why they did that back then. Because men were stronger. Men Men would kill your ass over their family. There was no compromise, right? It was a lot of testosterone back then. Now we got all this what's the female what's that shit? See, I can't even think about it. All I think about is testosterone. What you call the female shit? Huh, fellas? Hmm? Damn, I can't think of it my damn self. But y'all go back to this podcast and read this shit. Go back to it and read it. Okay? Y'all have the absolute power. We done got 4 people in here, a few people dropped off. You know, they're not alerting everybody these videos. I'm glad I did this video this way, just to see who really won't help, who really don't, who really ain't here to waste my time and call me and beg for shit when you got the information on the fucking internet. You know what I'm talking about? A lot of people do that. That's so irritating. And I'm really finna really be a triple double asshole. And I don't give 2 fucks, right? Niggas need to man up, stop being a pussy ass bitch, stop letting a bitch embarrass you in public. You know what I mean? Stop letting them handle you in court. All that. These ain't no crybaby ass services over here. Niggas need to man the fuck up and stop being bitch ass niggas. Stop crying, because nobody cares. I don't care about a nigga crying about their children. I just don't give a fuck. I'm not finna cry behind no fucking children. If they mine, they mine. If they not, they not. See how simple that shit is? Right? And I'd be damned to be around somebody else's fucking children. Especially marrying a bitch with children who got fucking gingivitis smiling all on the fucking screen and shit. And his dumb ass smiling with her ain't man enough to tell her to take her to the dentist and go get the gingivitis off her fucking gums. This what niggas used to. I'm gonna tell you what niggas used to. Hi, this is Chris. Today I'm going to show you that the mother didn't put you on child support. And you listen to these old bitch ass niggas out here talking about she didn't put you on child support and go after the agency. Bunch of dumb motherfuckers. That's how you fuck your shit up when you don't know what's on the motherfucking record with the bitch put on there. Because back then they know niggas didn't play with all this old bullshit paperwork game. But now niggas want the paperwork game, can't be men. You know what I mean? It's just sickening. It's fucking embarrassing. Fuck these hoes out here. And fuck these pussy ass niggas out here giving niggas wrong information. Now we're trying to help a dude from staying out of fucking jail. Cause Chris punk ass and put some motion to dismiss for subject matter jurisdiction, motion to dismiss for personal matter jurisdiction. And these women know niggas is slow nowadays. They know niggas slow. These hoes know the game. They got the game down on these slow ass niggas. Only niggas that's gonna be successful come over here, learn the videos, get help, ask for help. If you don't know nothing, ask for help. You know, donate. Them the people who gonna win, who doing the work too. The niggas who ain't gonna win, you expect me to hold your dick and go beat somebody up and this and that. No, nigga, we giving you the gun, nigga, and we the bullets, nigga. We giving you silver bullets. Like the bitch ass nigga talking about ain't no such thing as a silver bullet. Yes, it is, motherfucker. Because if on a such thing as a silver bullet, nigga, they wouldn't make them and they wouldn't sell them. You dumb shit tard. Ain't no such thing as a silver bullet. Yes, it is, nigga. You sue these motherfuckers. You have all your motherfucking eggs. You have all your fucking ducks in the motherfucking row, nigga. You write down what these motherfuckers been doing to you. You take a note of that shit. You record they pussy bitch asses. This shit's so fucking simple, nigga. But niggas want to be technical and prove to the baby mama, I beat you. And want the court to pull your pants down in court and say, hey, you beat us, you won. We finna suck your dick, sir. Nah, that shit ain't gonna happen, fucking fool. You fucking idiot. I'm not on here to be fucking light and put somebody pat me on the back and all this shit. We sharing this shit because it's shit we went through. This the shit I done went through. I done defeated that shit. I'm not falling for nothing. Shame on you the first time, shame on me the fucking second time. Ain't gonna be no second time with me. I didn't go to court for the second baby mama's case. I didn't. For what? Let me rephrase it. I didn't go to the administrative pussy ass hearing, nigga. You can have it without me. You had it without me my first time. You're going to continue, motherfucker. And now you ain't getting shit. If you want to come suck my dick, come suck my dick. This goes out to all the administrative women, personnel, from the administrative judges and all. Y'all can come suck my dick. I'll be glad to nut on your face and pat my dick all on your face and tell you been a bad girl. How many more minutes I got on this shit? 40. I've been on here 41 minutes. Well, man, shit, y'all have a good fucking night. I'm going to come back and talk about probably parental custodium, loss of parental custodium. This is a good fucking book. If you ain't got it, go get it. About $2 or $3. Y'all have a good night. Peace.